I look like a little slug on a roof. But here's some sounds that you might hear in the outside like this. That's the annoying talking sound. And then there's this other one is also kind of like talking. It's like this. Syrup! Syrup! That's a fiend. And this one's like one that you probably bump into. They go, oh! That's like the dying zombie from some video game. And like this is someone complaining about smokes. Hey you! Hey you! Hey you! I almost forgot to do it that time. And then after, someone will just come up to them and slug them up, and they'll hate smokes even more. And they'll think they have to like defend their anti-smoking thing, and then they just grow like smokes in their private parts or something, and smoke them at night when they're sleeping. And then they go, my bum, my bum. Oh, somebody help my bum. Somebody help my bum, it's very bad for everybody. Somebody help my bum, it's bad for the juice industry, because my bum stinks so much that you feel sick and you can't buy any juice. But when you buy shoes, it smells like the blues, because you get sad that you need to cover your feet. Cover your feet, walk down the street. Wearing shoes is very cool. And wearing shoes, that's very cool. You have to take them off in a swimming pool. Yay! Oh, he said he's smoking. Hey, you! Wearing shoes in the swimming pool is very cool because you might drown better.